Is there a cure for rose rosette disease? And here's your quick answer: no. You know, I've talked to you know, Dr. Wyndham, our pathologist in Nashville. Look, they're conducting experiments now in Nashville. The deal is this: if you have rose rosette, it's, of course, you know, the vector for that virus is the area 5 mite. Pull it up. You have to pull up.
Destroy it, pull up and destroy.
Get rid of it. You know, so once they're conducting these experiments now, when they find out, they would definitely let us know. But if you have rose rosette, witch's broom is something you hear a lot of people say as well. You know, has you know, a lot of thorns, has the green tint looking to the leaves. If you see that, pull it out.
Yeah, the witch's broom is just the Achilles heel of the knockout roses.
Yeah, just.
But you know, the happiest day of my life was the day I dug up all my roses. I do have some knockout roses left, but I mean, the roses in this area are just a real challenge to keep growing successfully.
You know, it'd be better if the roses would die, if they had rose rosette, but they don't. They just hang on.
Yeah, they just hang on.
And so they're a source of infection for others, and you know, so it's very important to take them out. You know.
All right.
And throw them away.
And throw them away. Double bag them, throw them away.